fellow YouTubers. This is the Dyson Ball Z. I mean Dyson Ball. Not Dyson Ball Z, sorry. I get that mixed up with my favorite show, Dragon Ball Z. But anyways, that's off topic, clearly. Let's get into this bad boy. First things first, we got the cool purple display on the thingy trigger right there, and then we got the handle. Boom, you like the color red? Don't worry, we got the red on there. Great. Aluminum green. I mean aluminum gray. Solid platform with an HD with the 1080 watt vacuum we got going here. It's very great. We got the active base plate and the Dyson and we got the whole 9 yards, which I don't understand because if I'm correct, I don't know much about football, but my studies have shown that it's 10 yards to get a first down where you start. But that's off topic once again. Silly me. Let's get back to topic. Okay, pros and cons. One pro is light, and I don't know, turns easy. Oh, I forgot one thing. I forgot to test it. It says it's super quiet. Am I correct or is that wrong? I watched the commercial. It says it's completely right. So plug in right here and get this bad boy short. It's way quiet. I love how quiet it is. The turning's unbelievable. There's the pros. There's the pros. Let's turn this bad boy off and get to the cons. Speed stackers. Alright, boys and ladies, and men, and hardcore black people, please don't hurt me. This is Dyson 10.4, 20-inch display. Great vacuum. I forgot to go on the cons. The cons are that it's very sweet, and cons are, I'm not sure. I feel like they didn't finish the vacuum as good as on the purple part. That's the only con I can think of, really, because this vacuum is well worth $5 billion. Oh, good. I bought it from a friend for a real good deal of $10,000. Great, worth it. Bye.